This is a slow motion video of how to do a moonwalk. So many people are struggling to do this step. They don't know how to do it. So this one is an easy way to watch and look carefully what he's doing. What he's exactly doing is putting his 1 foot back and standing on his toe, and then slowly dragging the other foot backward. So in this way you have to exert a force to stand on your toe and then dragging the other foot backward. So I hope that this will help you how to do moonwalk. So many people, if you like this video, uh, you can subscribe and push the bell icon so that in future I could give you more informative videos. Thank you.